learners. In this video, we are going to discuss electroencephalograph. I, Mrs. KULKARNI SHEETAL from Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. These are the listed contents which we are going to discuss in this video. Introduction. EEG detects the electrical activity in brain. EEG helps to diagnose the different brain disorders such are sleep disorders, stroke, epilepsy, and so on. The frequencies of the human EEG waves are delta, theta, alpha, and beta. Human brain, which consists of three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem. Cerebrum, which consists of two parts, right hemisphere, left hemisphere, which consists of right hemisphere, frontal lobe, temporal lobe, left hemisphere, occipital lobe, and partial lobe. The outer layer of brain is called as the cerebral cortex. All these sensory inputs from various parts of the body eventually reach the cortex. Next, cerebrum, which is also called as a physiological microcomputer. It is responsible for a person to maintain his balance. Brainstem signals between the brain and the spinal cord. Types of EEG electrodes. Electrodes are basically small metal disc which is made up of stainless steel, tin, gold, and covered with a silver chloride coating. EEG waveforms. Brain wave. It indicates behavior, emotions, and thoughts are communicated between neurons within our brain. All brain waves are produced by synchronized electrical pulses from masses of neurons communicating with each other. Our brain waves occurs at various frequencies. Some are slow and some are fast. These frequencies are beta, which indicates the mental activity, alpha, which indicates the resting activity, theta, which indicates the sleeping activity, and delta, which indicates the deep activity. EEG electrode placement system. Basically, the EEG adopts the 10-20 system. Its essence of the system is the distance in percentage of 10-20 range between nascent ion and fixed point. And these points are frontal pole, central, partial, occipital, and temporal. The middle electrodes are marked with a subscript Z, which stands for the 0. The odd numbers are used as subscript for points over the left hemisphere and even number over the right. EEG block diagram. Montage. Arrangement of electrodes on the head and the channels are connected in called montage. It adopted 10-20 placement system. Reference electrode placed near to earlobe. Electrode montage selector. Its function is to electrode pair will have signals subtracted from each other to create an array of channels of output called a montage. Each channel is created in the form of the input from one electrode minus the input from a second electrode. Preamplifier. It must have high gain and low noise characteristics because the EEG potentials are small in amplitude. Sensitivity control. It is a gain of amplifier multiplied by the sensitivity of writer. Filters are used to remove the artifacts. Generally low pass filters are preferred. Writing part, it is usually of the ink type direct writing recorder. These are the waveforms. EEG specification. These are the RMS make EEG specifications are listed. These are the references referred while doing this video. Thank you and keep learning.